Hi, my name is Kimberly Tan, and I teach at Valencia College in the Intensive English program. My course is on an online platform called Canvas. Each IEP term lasts for 18 sessions or for about a month. You will learn a wide range of English skills such as grammar, writing, reading, listening, and speaking. We meet live on Zoom from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here on Canvas, you can find everything that you'll need for the class. You can find a list of current assignments, participate in discussions, and get to know your classmates better. I share fun ways to improve your English. These are great websites that help you to improve your English. You'll also participate in fun games and challenges. Well, thank you for watching. Let's have fun, and I hope to see you soon.